Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading, the bonus reading for January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Scorpio, so let's look into your energy and your person energy for the bonus reading for January 2021 on your twin flame and soulmate connection. And also, Scorpio, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Scorpio, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look into the channel message from your person here, Scorpio. Okay, so on this side here, Scorpio, will be your energy, and on this side here will be your person energy. But again, due to this is a general collective energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now, looking at the sign that I'm getting for you here, I'm getting a very strong air energy, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy coming out here, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look into your energy here, Scorpio. I've got the 10 of Cups, I've got the 7 of Cups, the 9 of Swords, and I've also got the Empress energy coming up here for you. So let's start with this Empress energy as the overall energy. I'm getting like a very strong pregnancy energy coming up here. So some of you here, Scorpio, could still trying to get pregnant, I would say here, like trying to have kids. But some of you here could also already be pregnant at this point of time, like just waiting for the birth time. But I'm getting like a very strong pregnancy energy coming up here. Now I've got the 10 of Cups and the 9 of Swords. It's like I'm getting two messages here, so this is going to be resonated with a different group of people. It's like I do feel like some of you here is already pregnant, or expecting a baby here, but at this point of time, either your person have left you for someone else, or there is like a separation or a breakup between both of you here. And for another group of you here is that you've been like, both of you have already, how do I say it here, like you didn't expect this breakup to come in. I would say here, Scorpio, like all this separation and all this breakup came unexpectedly, I would say, because all you've been thinking here is that you and your person was actually in a quite happy relationship, I would say here. Like there was nothing that showing you like there was no crack and no argument, nothing. And then suddenly that you find your person just left you for someone else, or that you just found your person leaving you, like totally leaving you in a shock here. Because I've also got the 7 of Cups coming up for you here, Scorpio. So this is basically leaving you feeling confused, leaving you like just unsure, like what is going on, what happened, why suddenly like everything was just good, and then suddenly like they just left me here, like what is going on. Some of you here could also like even be blaming yourself, I would say here, in a sense that you felt it's your problem, like you felt like you are the one who did something here, and you spent most of your time up until this particular time here, like up until this particular point of time here, like you just kept thinking like, what did I do wrong, like what happened. Some of you even like being ghosted, I would say here, like there was no communication, there was no reason, all of a sudden that your person just left you, like you didn't even get the closure up until this particular point of time. So you're still in this state of confusion, you're still in the state of seeking out for the closure, I would say here, Scorpio, because you just did not know what had happened. And this seeking out for closure is what making you feeling anxious. This is what giving you a lot of nightmare and trouble sleeping, I would even say here. I just wanted to tell you here, Scorpio, that whatever had happened prior to the separation, and even like after the separation, is definitely not your fault. try to not blame you, try to not feel guilty. I feel like this separation had to happen in this particular time just because it's part of the contract, part of the karmic contract and soul contract between both of you. You need to understand that no matter what you are, the divine feminine or the divine masculine here, you are someone who is coming up with a very, very high level vibrational energy. So you need to do things just for you to, like be in touch, or, like getting integrated with your higher self here. Now, looking at your person energy here, I've got the Seven of Pentacles, I've got the Six of Wands, and I've also got the Ace of Pentacles coming up here. Now, it's quite interesting because I've got the Seven of Pentacles coming up here. I've also got the Seven of Wands coming up here as well. The number 7 is coming up quite significantly in your reading here, Scorpio. But this both energy is talking about imbalanced energy. So deep down within your person self here, they're actually feeling quite imbalanced, and they're actually also feeling defensive. So some of you here, because you're still seeking out for the closure, I would say here, you've been trying to reach us out towards your person, you've been trying to communicate with them, but all you got here was just like ghosting. You did not get even a single message. Some of you could have tried to communicate with your person, like trying to reach us out towards your person, giving a lot of like sending a lot of messages here, but you are not getting any reply from them. Or some of you could only be getting like one word reply energy here. But the thing here is that with this defensive energy and imbalanced energy, this is what triggering your person to go into a separation and triggering your person to go into a breakup between both of you here. I'm also getting a very strong fear energy and feeling scared energy, like feeling scared within themselves, which is actually quite normal when we are talking about such an intense and strong connection here. Insecurities is that as well, but it's like the fear within themselves here is that how is it that you know everything with about themselves, like how do you know all things about them. So this is like something like a little bit of scary energy coming up from them, and this is what making them feeling imbalanced. A little bit of coward energy, I would even say here, Scorpio. Sorry to say this, because like they could have just like sitting down and having that face-to-face communication and just like letting you know, okay, this is what is going on. I just needed a time off. I just needed a break for a minute here. But instead of doing that, they're becoming defensive and they just like run away. The thing here is that they are not running away from you, but they're actually running away from all this imbalanced energy within themselves. They're running away from all this emotional pain and all this emotional trauma that just got triggered when they're actually meeting you and spending time with you here, Scorpio. So this is the reason why they actually run away from you, and this is the reason why both of you are currently in this running and chasing dynamic. And I've got the Six of Wands coming up here with this Ace of Pentacles. Do not worry, there's definitely going to be a reunion or a new beginning coming up between both of you, especially with this Six of Wands energy. This is basically talking about victorious outcome and positive outcome. So that is at the end, all these challenges and all this like triggers and delay that is happening between both of you, at the end you are going to be coming up as the victorious one. You are actually going to be coming up as how do I say, like you're actually going to win. Like that is the main message that I've got here. So there's definitely going to be a new beginning coming up for both of you. Now it's quite interesting because this new beginning energy is the Ace of Pentacles. So this is something of a solid energy here. So it's like it may take a little bit some time, but it's like when both of you are coming back together, when both of you are coming up into this reunion or this reconciliation energy here, is that both of you are going to rebuild the relationship from ground zero. So this relationship is going to be much stronger, I would say here, much stronger and much more stable. Now the channel message that I've got from your person here, I've got, will you give me another chance? And I've also got be grounded in, wow, look at this, I wish I could talk to you right now. So they are definitely wanting to talk to you. They're definitely like wanting to communicate with you here, and they want you to just be grounded in faith. They will be coming back towards you here asking for another chance, and when that happens, the choice is definitely going to be yours here, Scorpio. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.